Welcome back to another New York Arvo session. So we've got our volume profile spread across from the New York Open all the way through to now, afternoon session coming up just past 1/4 past the hour. We've drawn across all our previous week levels and our previous day levels, previous day high, value area high, previous day POC, previous day volume area low. The orange rows across here are previous week low volume areas or low volume nodes. A low volume area or node would be this from the volume profile, and that's based on the weekly. So price usually vacuums towards that area, has some sort of interaction off it, like here during this session. Previous day value lined up with a previous week low volume node, and that was a big sell-off. So what's happened since yesterday? We've had another sell-off. We said that we're probably around about fair value here yesterday. Price sold off through the New York session. So first thing we need to do is have a look at the volume profile and decide what sort of shape it is. Well, a bit tricky to determine today because we've got a large volume area here and then into low and then another larger volume at the bottom. So would we say we're in a premium or a discount? I guess for the session we're at a discount because we're below all of these previous day POC levels, being previous week POC, previous day POC. We're below current session POC, so which is in theory fair value. That was the next thing to check, is have we broken any of these, and we broke through those levels, previous day POC, previous week POC during this session, a few hours after the New York Open. So we don't have much to interact with down here. I guess we've got our current value area level value area low to interact with, which we're doing right now, combined with the high volume node that we've marked out in blue. So let's just zoom in on the area in question. I guess we could be looking at this right now and saying, well, we've pushed away. So that was at 7.15. So that would have been a good trade right off there. That volume area low. So even if we had entered here with a 15 point stop there, we would have been taken out. But opportunity once you saw that first candle, I guess. There's a 50-point move. That's big. What's coming back into that area now? Do we want to trust that level now? It's possible. See how it interacts here. We've also got Bookmap open at the moment, open up above. So let's see how we go. Just putting in a test order for trade sinker. Okay, that's not currently showing it's working, so we're going to go back and fix that up. Try again. Test order now working. Okay, so that did come back into that area, very close. Pretty much at value area low. If you'd got it in the top of that, there's 20 points. That would have been great.
Order filled. Order filled.
Okay, that's just a quick scalp. I'm locking myself out for today because I don't trust myself. So that was pretty good. All we did then was go from, we saw that this attempt to go lower failed. I mean, it all started from here. This is where we should have got in, but my trade sinker wasn't set up. So there was nothing I could do about that. So I was actually lucky I didn't enter because my trades wouldn't have been copied. Once we saw this fail and then this push all the way through this volume area here, a high volume node, sorry, it was pretty likely that we're going to go to the next node. Okay, so all we did was get in there at 25,361 for a quick scalp to the next node for nearly 10 points. So that's it for today. I'm going to finish this one early. I've locked myself out. I've got other stuff to do. Total P&L for the day, 388 across all accounts. So if we scroll up, these are the accounts that we've got copy traded. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 accounts. All across TradeSinker. So if you want to copy your trades, copy them on TradeSinker. Back to this. This is still going. I blew through the next level as well. Hope everyone's day goes well. We'll see you tomorrow.